Git workflow for Cloud Run. What is a Git workflow for Cloud Run? A Git workflow for Cloud Run is the structured process teams use to manage application code in deployment configuration safely using Git. It defines how application code is updated, how container images are built, how environment variables are changed, how bugs are fixed, how production deployments are controlled, why it matters for Cloud Run. Services run live on the internet. One wrong deploy can break APIs or users. Rollbacks must be fast. Deployments happen often. Containers must match code. So workflow equals stability plus control plus safe container deployments. Why Cloud Run projects need a proper Git workflow? Cloud Run projects usually include application source code, Docker file, cloud build, YAML or CI config, environment variables, service configuration, monitoring and logging configs. Without workflow, cross-mark broken production services, cross-mark wrong container images deployed, cross-mark hard rollbacks, cross-mark merge conflicts, cross-mark no clear deployment history. With workflow, check mark stable services, check mark predictable deployments, check mark easier debugging, check mark safer releases, check mark better teamwork. Typical branch structure for Cloud Run. Common structure. Main means production ready service. Develop means active development. Feature branches means new features. Release branches means prepared deployment. Hotfix branches means urgent fixes. Example: main, develop, feature, user auth, feature, payment API, release, version 2.1.0. Hotfix, container crash. Why? Protects live services. Supports parallel development. Enables controlled container releases. Feature branch workflow. Cloud Run. For each task, create branch from develop. Implement feature or fix. Build Docker image locally. Run container locally. Test using staging service. Validate Docker file. Commit changes. Push branch. Open pull request. Review and merge into develop. Why? Isolates risky changes. Prevents broken containers. Enables review. Bad practice. Cross-mark work directly on main. Cross-mark deploy without review. Good practice. Check mark one feature per branch. Check mark one task per branch. Pull requests in Cloud Run projects. PRs are used to review application logic, review Docker file changes, check container behavior, run automated tests, validate deployment config. PR should include check mark clear description, check mark link issue, ticket, check mark service name, check mark test results, check mark image tag, version. Why? Prevents production failures. Documents container changes. Improves quality. Bad PR. Cross-mark no description. Cross-mark no testing. Cross-mark huge PR. Commit strategy for Cloud Run. Commits should be small, atomic, descriptive, good commit messages. Add health check endpoint. Fix Docker file base image. Update memory limit for service. Bad commit messages. Update, fix, final. Why? Easy rollback, easy debugging, clean history, daily workflow in Cloud Run teams. Typical flow: pull latest develop, create feature branch, write code, build Docker image, test container locally, deploy to staging service, commit changes, push branch, create PR, review and merge. Why? Prevents conflicts, keeps work isolated, keeps service stable. Hotfix workflow for Cloud Run. When production fails, create hotfix branch from main. Fix issue, build new image, test quickly, deploy to staging, create PR, merge into main, merge into develop, Why? Fast recovery. Keeps branches aligned. Prevents repeat failures. Example. Hotfix, env were missing. Release strategy for Cloud Run. Releases should be planned, tested, versioned. Good approach. Create release branch. Freeze features. Run full tests. Build container image. Deploy to staging. Deploy to production. Tag version. Example. Release, version 3.2.0. Why? Safe container deployments. Easy rollback. Clear version history. Code review culture. Cloud Run teams. Review focuses on application logic, Docker file changes, resource limits, environment variables, startup and health checks, rollback strategy, not personal opinions, blame, style wars. Why? Fewer outages, better reliability, knowledge sharing, CI/CD in Cloud Run workflow. Automation should run unit tests, build Docker image, push image to registry, deploy to staging service, run smoke tests, deploy to production, on every PR, run tests, run lint, build container, validate Docker file. Why? Prevents broken containers, saves time, builds confidence. Tools: GitHub Actions, GitLab CI, Google Cloud Build, Jenkins. Common Cloud Run Git mistakes. Direct commits to main. No PR reviews. No tests. Manual production deployments. No image versioning. Using latest tag. Why? Risky deployments. Hard debugging. Poor release history. Naming conventions. Branches. Feature, search API. Feature, image upload. Release, version 1.4.0. Hotfix, startup fix. Commits, add, fix, update, refactor. Example, fix container startup crash. Why? Easy tracking, professional history, easy auditing. How Git workflow helps Cloud Run projects scale. As service grows, more users, more endpoints, more developers, more deployments. Good workflow. Check mark keeps containers manageable. Check mark improves onboarding. Check mark reduces failures. Check mark controls complexity. Real life analogy. Cloud Run Git workflow is like airport control system. Without system, crashes. With system, safe flights. Branches equals runways. PRs equals safety checks. Main equals live flight route. In simple words, Cloud Run Git workflow means build carefully, test containers, review changes, deploy safely. Best strategy for Cloud Run projects. Use check mark feature branches, check mark release branches, check mark mandatory PRs, check mark carbon monoxide CD automation, check mark protected main branch, check mark versioned container images. Avoid cross mark direct main commits, cross mark no testing, cross mark no reviews, cross mark manual production pushes. In Cloud Run projects, your code runs inside live containers in the cloud. A good Git workflow. Check mark protects production. Check mark supports teamwork. Check mark reduces downtime. Check mark builds trust.